Hi, this is Imro from Camel Tech. Today, I'll walk you through how we streamlined and systemized operations for a rental and property management company based in Germany. For this project, we used Notion to centralize, simplify, and scale their entire business process, creating a robust yet easy to manage structure. Previously, they managed everything on Google Sheets that you can see, which was challenging given the volume and diversity of properties they listed across platforms like Wunderlist and other rental sites. Managing operations from multiple sheets made it difficult to track updates, ensure accuracy, and keep all team members on the same page. So what we did is we brought it all into a single, fully integrated system on Notion, making their operations more organized, accessible, and streamlined. To begin, we created a central rental summary page, which acts as a home for their team. Here, they can quickly see an overview of each property's status, such as whether it's rented, vacant, or has an upcoming availability. This page provides a high-level snapshot of their entire property portfolio, allowing them to check availability and status in real time. Each property now has its own dedicated page with comprehensive details. These property pages feature an overview, usually in German language, a description, current availability, and property condition. This setup allows them to share specific details with guests or property owners when needed, creating a seamless guest experience and reducing redundant queries. Guests can also view additional images, detailed location information, a complete cost overview, and a section with FAQs, all from one place. To enhance flexibility, there's an option to expand these sections, displaying further details as required by guests or management. We also designed a deal management system within Notion for their ongoing acquisition of new apartments. This section helps them track interactions with property owners interested in renting out their apartments. From this view, they can see each deal stage, location, purchase date, and costs, allowing them to manage the pipeline efficiently. By organizing deals in this way, they can streamline communications and maintain clear records, which supports better negotiation and acquisition strategies. Additionally, we added a set of standardized apartment rules and guidelines for each rental property. These rules are automatically shared with guests and include vital information such as check-in and check-out times, key pickup instructions, Wi-Fi passwords, and any other relevant details. These guidelines are integrated as connected databases, displaying only the information specific to each apartment. This ensures that both management and guests can easily access the correct details for each booking, minimizing confusion and enhancing the guest experience. Filters are applied to show only relevant data, so the team has the flexibility to customize views based on their needs. For financial tracking, they used to have a summary of that income on a Google Sheet that they made every month for the whole year. This allowed for easy viewing of which property earned how much in a given year. So basically, we put all the events and data into Notion. Consequently, we constructed the entire section. That way, they can see an overview of the rents for each apartment. This is the rental price for each month, and the total rent price expected for the property are as follows. Additionally, the guests who will be staying in which month and the amount they will be paying are also provided. And finally, it shows how much they're making from this apartment. Same goes for all the other properties, and we present the totals in a separate calculation. Likewise, we also show how much they are earning in total rental income and how much they are earning in each month. We can view this information in the following manner. That concludes the explanation of how we constructed the entire component. There are also parts for VA instruction and SOP. We made those parts too. That's how we organize the whole business and make sure everything runs smoothly. You'll be able to keep track of everything without missing any important details. So if you need a similar setup on ClickUp Monday or Notion, just contact us before you come. Thanks for watching.